video, we are going to discuss question number 21 of Chemistry Gate 2019. Let us go through the question. The entropy change for the melting of X moles of ice. Heat of fusion is 80 cal per gram at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure is 28.80 cal per Kelvin. The value of X is dash. Round off to 2 decimal places. Molecular weight of water is equal to 18 gram per mole. This is a 1-mark question and the logic required for this question is about phase transition. So the entropy of phase transition. Consider a system and its surrounding at the normal transition temperature T transition, the temperature at which two phases are in equilibrium at 1 atm. The temperature is 0 degree for ice in equilibrium with liquid water at 1 atm and 100 degrees Celsius for liquid water in equilibrium with its vapor at 1 atm. At the transition temperature, any transfer of energy as heat between the system and its surrounding is reversible because the two phases in the system are in equilibrium. Because at constant pressure, Q is equal to delta transition H, then the change in molar entropy of the system is delta transition of S is equal to delta transition of H divided by T transition. With this knowledge, let us go to the question. The given quantities are delta transition S is equal to 28.80 cal per Kelvin. Delta transition is equal to 80 cal per gram. Temperature is equal to 273 Kelvin and pressure is 1 atm. We need to find the number of moles. So, we know the equation for delta S transition, that is equal to delta transition of H divided by T transition. Here we know the value for delta H transition is given in cal per gram. So, we can write the equation for delta S transition becomes equal to delta H transition into mass. So, the equation for delta S transition becomes equal to delta H transition into mass divided by temperature. So, we can write it as 28.80 cal per Kelvin equal to 80 cal per gram into M divided by 273. So, now we need to find the value for M, where the value for M becomes equal to 98.28 gram. We know that number of moles is equal to mass by molecular weight. Here molecular weight is given as 18 gram per mole. So number of moles is equal to mass, that is 98.28 divided by molecular weight, that is equal to 18 gram per mole, where number of moles become equal to 5.46 moles. So the answer given here is 5.40 to 5.60 and our answer is 5.46. To have a greater understanding on this topic, please go back and watch lecture number 7, Clapeyron equation and phase transition, concept of fugacity by Professor Sandeep Paul from IIT Guwahati. The YouTube link is also attached here. Thank you.